In this tutorial, we will cover the steps to display a list of posts organized by their respective categories. We will explore how to fetch the posts from a data source and then group them based on their categories. We have already added the courses and created a custom taxonomy with a few categories, including CSS, HTML, and UX. For each course, we have added some content such as the course name and a simple description. We have also assigned each course to its respective category. In this example, it's the HTML category. Now that we have completed all the necessary steps, let's move on to designing the front page of our website to display the organized list of courses. To get started, you will need to create a term query loop. This can be done by using a div, block, or container. The exact format doesn't matter. Just make sure to enable the query loop option and select terms as the query type. Additionally, choose the category you have created as the taxonomy. In our case, we will be using the course category taxonomy. When setting up the term query loop, make sure to select the category that is relevant to the posts you are querying as the taxonomy. To output the category name, add a heading text element with the term name as a dynamic data function. We will apply some styling and then proceed to create a subquery loop for posts. In order to retrieve the post data, we need to create a nested query loop element that will display the posts. Each query should be filtered according to the specific term query. To include a taxonomy query setting in our post query loop element, we should specify the term ID as the field to be targeted and use the term ID function to filter the term value. You can add the elements you need to compose your card elements. For example, in this tutorial, I added the featured image, post title, and post content. It is important to remember to use the dynamic data of the post for each of these components to generate the content dynamically for each post. If everything is functioning properly, you should now display all the categories and their corresponding posts in the following format. To enhance visibility and make the cards stand out, let's introduce a gap between them. This is the method to categorize and display your posts using the ACPT plugin and bricks.